8.2 million kids play high school sports every year. Most won't play in college. Almost none go pro. This is the plan for the day after. One long video, 1 hour, 1 week of content. We build brands that pays for the next 10 years. I'm on a mission to help 1,000 athletes make $1 million a year with their own brand and skills. No league contract required. If you want in, join the People First Collective down below. You know what? Leading 100 drivers during peak season, that taught me more than the NFL. You know what I'm saying? Helping my clients, that's taught me more than the NFL. First day I made $1 off that taught me more than the NFL. Now don't get it granted, the NFL was a great experience, but I was just a worker. That was my 9 to 5. You know what I'm saying? People don't think about when they look at the NFL and they see their favorite player making millions, but who's cutting the check to your favorite player? Have you ever thought about it on that level? You dig what I'm saying? And going through the NFL, that's when I first realized I didn't have my business together. The day I got cut, I was like, shit, I'm just an employee. Like, what am I doing? Like, you know what I'm saying? So I've been on the built 50 trucks, 100 drivers, peak seasons, 4 years business. You know what I'm saying? All that. But having my baby was my biggest thing. The best thing I ever did in life was have a kid. But I just want to show you life after sports. It's a lot of different things you can do. I'm here. Check out my old videos on my old page, Sydney Tarver. I got a lot of history in this, so stick along. I'm going to show you how to get to it. Yeah, shout out to Anthony Amato. Go check his channel out, Russ the Roar. If you see this, write your comment down in the below so they can check out your page. If not, I'll try to post it up. But he's monetized his YouTube. He's a former D1 soccer player at Niagara University, a beast, a boxer, Golden Gloves. He got knockouts, all kind of crazy stuff. But as a channel, Russ the Roar, with him fixing up his old 1967 Mustang. And one of my guys, like, just been working locked in. He's going crazy with the brand. One of the hottest channels on the YouTube. Like, check it out. Anthony Amato, Russ to Roar. No system, no story, no sales. You gave your youth to this game. The silence after the season is loud. The 1 hour content system plus a simple offer, daily publishing without burning out your life, proof weekly, calls, clients, cash town back. You dig what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know how many times I've met somebody with talent and don't got a system? Guess where they are? Back just reminiscing on their old life, trying to tell people what it is. No, you got to build a system with it. That's why these nerds, I'm here to say it, I ain't going to say nerds, they kids in school who were studying and focused and building, doing stuff, they're ahead right now. They winning right now in this age because they sat down and put the work in while everybody else thought they was just studying books. They were actually doing what they like, following their passion, and building systems. So that way they can win. Not the jocks, the dudes who was just going to school, playing sports, and that's it. They never thought the game would end for them. So build you a plan or build something right now while you in the game. So when the game's over, you got something that's paying you money. You dig what I'm saying? So take this serious. The 4 lanes after high school. Well, you got college. You can either go to play college, but this is for the people not going. You can be a student first. Make sure you get your return on investment major. Don't go in there in college. It's going to cost you $50,000 a year. Don't go get a job that's going to only pay you $30,000 a year once you graduate. That's a bad investment. Do you hear me? Network weekly, create content while you in college. Document the college experience. How did you get into college? What do you do your freshman year of college? How do you study for college tests? How do you prep? What do you do in college? How do you live away from your parents? How to survive? You need to teach something, a college survival guide. It's an easy way to make products. Next, you got to trade. Learn by day, teach by night. Document your paid jobs, plumber, HVAC, roofer, construction. Learn how to do something, barber. Learn how to do something with your, it might not do college. Learn it, document it, teach it to other people. Document when you get paid for something. Next, military, discipline and skills. This set goes well with a lot of athletes. Document within the rules, teach and prep. How to get to basic training. I don't know, whatever's in the military. How to eat, how to get in shape, how to pass your running test, how to get certified, how to get cleared by the recruiter. Whatever it is that you're trying to teach that to do the military version. That's a big lane of demographic. People's always going to the military. They need to learn. Fourth, you got workforce or creator. You get you a day job. It funds the brand. Teach what you're learning. Work 8 hours a day. Come home. Work another 4 or 5 hours a day. Recording content. Teach what you're doing. You dig what I'm saying? My first job was making $7.25 doing landscaping when I was in high school. You dig what I'm saying? It taught me a lot because I was making the same amount of money as like people was like years old. I was probably 13, 14, 15, working with 30-year-olds making the same amount of money. They was competing with kids. Like, I was like, why would you be doing this if you 40 years old? Like, would you be out here raking grass? Like, you couldn't have thought of nothing else better to do besides over here with harassing some little kids. So yeah, first job taught me a lot, how to get money, how to fend for myself, work for myself, do tough shit, and paid off. That's how I got my sidekick. You know what I'm saying? My shoes, my all that kind of stuff. I used to have money because I worked for it. You did what I'm saying? So do something. You will have to get money some way. You need to document that process. That's where the content creation comes in this. You document anything. How many times have you been on YouTube and you just seen a random, like, I didn't even know they made videos about this. I didn't even know nothing about this. Doing stuff in your own way will get your own attention if you do it your own authentic way. Anyway, let's get it. Your 1 hour content system. I'm gonna teach you my system. I do this every day, but I'm gonna telling you to do 1 day a week, make one long form video, one promise, one story, one call to action. I'm gonna give you a tip. Just spend 1 day making one video, or you can record 5 minutes of every day. And then 1 day put it all together, and you'll have your long form video. 5 minutes times, let's see, 7 days a week? That's a 35-minute video you can trim down, edit, and put together. You don't have to shoot it all in 1 day. Do something 1 day, one a day. But I'm gonna teach you this system. Yeah. I'll tell you 1 day, I do this every day. I make a video every day. You know what I'm saying? Every day I make a video. But for you, you're a rookie. Just try one video a week, long form, cut it into reels, make hooks out of it, schedule it everywhere. Shorts, IG, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, everywhere you can put it at. Put these clips everywhere. First 3 lines, state the promise and link to, you know what I'm saying, whatever it is you want your offer to be. I do mine to the People First Collective, my community. I want people to sign up and join my community. Show weekly results, screenshots, before and after, blurred names. You know what I'm saying? Track 3 methods. 30 seconds, retention, saves, clicks, likes, shares, comments. A few things to track. I say 3 metrics, but it's a little bit more than that. But you just study 3 things and try to get better at them each time. You know what I'm saying? My exact Sunday window. Today, see, I got a dink and dunk. I'm up late night recording because I got to wait till my baby go to sleep. I'm with the baby all day. But I can start recording videos with the baby. You know what I'm saying? Do my process at night when I'm up by myself, not bothering nobody. Nobody can bother me. I like to knock my videos out and do it. So I usually record at nighttime, anywhere from 9 to 12 o'clock at night is usually when I record. So that's that for me. Skill transfers map. You dig what I'm saying? Athletes, film study, that's the market research. Your practice plan, that's your content calendar. Your strength work, that's your pipeline reps. Game tape review, that's your 10-second retention fix. Your hooks, making sure you catch people's attention in the first 3 to 5 seconds. That's the game tape review. Captaincy, that's offer and closes. You dig what I'm saying? The one linebacker trait that saved me in business today was learning how to read my keys. Like keys, knowing the metric, knowing what's working, being able to adjust on the fly. That's always going to help you. You dig what I'm saying? So, hey, transfer them athletic skills into these content creation skills. You'll be just fine. Don't overthink it. It's already within you. 7-day starter sprint. This is how you can get it up and get going fast. Day 1, make a promise. Day 2, record 10 minutes. Day 3, pull 5 hooks from your video. Day 4, cut it into 7 to 15 reels. So you can have 2 posts a day or 1 a day, at least 1 short form post a day. Day 5, schedule all that content out. Day 6, 10 for 10 outreach. So 10 DMs, 10 comments, 10 direct messages. Hit 10 people in your cell phone to see if they want to buy your offer. Day 7, go live, do whatever you want to. You know what I'm saying? That's how you do it. In a week, you learn more from this than doing any class you've ever had. If you stick with me, I'll teach you more than any school teacher ever teach you about life, anything, because I'm pouring my real life lessons from the NFL to entrepreneurship to corporate America. I can teach you on multiple subjects. Your teacher only went to college to teach you one subject. They ain't never did nothing in life. You did. Leadership flywheel. You got content that's going to build you attention. You're going to offer the attention. You're going to offer them. You're going to make offers to them. So whoever's looking at your video, you need to be offering your services to them. Next, after you get your offers, you're going to show your client wins. Once you get a client, show them how you helped and made them successful. That's going to be case studies. You dig what I'm saying? That's going to lead to your case studies, your testimonials, your proof. Then you're going to get more attention off of that. Then you're going to keep making better offers. They're going to go, you might start with a $10 ebook and end with a $5,000 coaching program or whatever it is you want to do. You dig what I'm saying? We don't chase, we attract through proof. You dig what I'm saying? So that's how you build you a flywheel. Content, attention, offers, client wins, case studies. Then you do it again and you get more attention and better offers. And just keep upping your prices. You get better and better and can get the results faster and faster. So that's it. Simple. Objections and counters, man. This is for all my excuse makers out there. No time. You found time to go to practice and scroll on Instagram. Find 1 hour, whatever day you pick, to record some content. No gear. All you need is a phone, a light, and a quiet room. No niche. You don't know what to talk about. Talk about how you overcame problems with your old self. How did you graduate high school? How did you buy a bike? How did you buy your Jordans? How did you make some money one time when you didn't have no money? Solve the problem for your old self. 1,000 other people need the same issues. How did you learn to cook? How did you learn to drive? It's something you did. You had a problem in your life and you overcome it. Teach somebody else to do it. No audience. Borrow one with comments and quick live. Just go live. Go write in somebody else's comments. Go DM 10 people. Go find some people. It's 8 billion people in this world. It's a lot more on the internet that you can reach anybody. You can DM Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, LeBron James. You can write all these people on Twitter. These people have a chance of seeing you if you comment on their stuff. Trust me. You just scared. You dig what I'm saying? My best no resources hack. Sell to your phone. Whoever's in your phone, you don't make somebody an offer in your phone of something to do. And I guarantee you'll find money in your phone book. Other than that, why would you have them in your phone? You dig what I'm saying? It's some adult, it's some person, somebody you did something with in the past that would love to support your business. Buy a t-shirt, buy a hat, buy a book from you, buy something. People want to support you. You just got to ask for it. Hey, for real, dog. Y'all lock in, though. This the mission. I need 1,000 athletes out there making 1 million a year. I'm going to show y'all how to make $1 million a year outside the sport. Don't wait for the call. You can build a company with your name on it, man. We got to start building our own businesses, writing our own checks. Even if you NIL athlete or NFL athlete, you still got a job. You got a 9 to 5, just a high paid 9 to 5 because the owner still write your checks. You need to own something on your own off the field. You dig what I'm saying? And what's easier than a digital brand, a personal brand online? You see it now, all the athletes, old athletes, you know what I'm saying? They on ESPN talking, they still working. Build your own from scratch right now while you had a season. I see people like Michael Parsons, Tyreek Hill, they always online creating content. You dig what I'm saying? Do it while you have your job. The NFL not going to be mad at you for making your own videos, doing your own social media content, selling your own merch, doing your own camps, training, putting your own people in position. So y'all get at me. Y'all know how to find me. I'm looking for 1,000 athletes. Gonna show y'all how to make $1 million a year with what you already got. You dig? Let's get it. Join the People First Collective. We build a 1 hour week system that works with you. Just an hour. I need you for an hour once a week, but I do it a day with just 1 week. We got templates. We got weekly calls. We got checklists. We got results that book deals. You dig what I'm saying? If you want a one-on-one, the link to book me in there too. Content is currency. Systems don't sleep. Link in description, man. Y'all get at me. Y'all know where to find me. I ain't hard to find. Hit me on Instagram, DM me, wherever y'all want to find me. Hit me. Let's work.